Okay, this is a short video to explain you how you can get your money much quicker from PayPal. In a case if you don't know this, as you start eBay dropshipping and the evil PayPal is holding your money, and we used to call PayPal jail 3 months and everything is frozen, stuff like this, nobody gets money. I'm not talking about the eBay's managed payments. No, we don't do this in dropshipping. On eBay dropshipping, we don't do this, okay? You can do this if you are tricked, okay, by eBay. Then they force you to do the managed payments, okay? But I wouldn't suggest you to go that way, but it's up to you. You can do this if you want. There is a way around how to do this. So for those who still use PayPal and as a newbies, and well, actually, if you have been just started out, I would suggest you to use this method, okay? So PayPal will gonna release your money much sooner, very much sooner, okay? And you will get out of the PayPal jail much sooner if you and your funds will not gonna be on hold will not gonna be on hold for so long. If you apply, there is one trick only you need to know actually. Well, there are more maybe, yeah, but one particular thing what you can do is, if you put on your shipping speed, if you choose particularly express shipping, okay, not 1 to 3 day, not 2 to 3 day, not 5 to 2 day, whatever, okay? But there is an option on eBay. When you click there on a sidebar, you're gonna see the drop down options, you're gonna see the express shipping. So when you choose that express shipping, which basically means it's 1 day shipping, okay, you got 24 hours to ship your item. And of course I know you have a lot of objections and what the heck, I can do this because blah blah blah, because da. So it's up to you. You can just make excuses if you want. I'm just sharing with you how you can do this, and if you never did this, don't argue please with me, because I have done this hundreds of times for my students and including myself for all my accounts. And it does not actually really matters that you are shipping all your items with express shipment, okay, using express shipping method. You can use and choose not the standard shipping, I mean, but you can choose 1 to 3 days, okay? But you must have at least 40% of your shipped items, of your purchases, almost half I would say, you need to have express shipping. And if you do this, PayPal will start releasing your money almost 3 times sooner. You are gonna get free of money holds in a matter of months. So this is just from my own experience and from experience of my students whom I teach this trick, and it always works with no exception, okay? The only exception is if you're messing up yourself all those things. Otherwise there are no objections that this wouldn't work. I don't know why it is actually, but that's how it is. The PayPal like more fast shipment, and if they can see that you add tracking numbers, and I know some of your tracking numbers will not gonna be available or accessible in a 24 hours, yes, I agree with that, but still not going into the details how to get around this, it's still possible to do with no problems at all. It just depends where you are at your dropshipping experience and knowledge, and knowing how to do this, or or not. So, but basically what we do in our training, 799 training, that's not the issue. We use this option, and we got some shipping errors, late shipping, late tracking number added. Yes, we got that, but it does not matter, guys. It does not matter actually if you got that. So you just need a little bit to think how to go around this, and it's not a big issue. Okay, it's just one of those nuances you just work around. Okay, anyway, try at least my suggestion to choose express delivery. Okay, and when you are, if you want to get your funds released much more quicker without holds, you will notice that eBay will not gonna put on a hold. I mean, PayPal will not gonna put on a hold. Yeah, I would say even in a matter of week or so, some of your items. Some will still be on hold, but some will not gonna be on hold. And the first items who will not gonna be on hold, they will start doing this by releasing your immediately access you are gonna get if you put the express shipment. Okay. Otherwise, that's nice evening over here. See sunset. I got nice sunset. That's what I'm doing here. Sitting and waiting, watching sunset. I'm telling you the trick about how to trick PayPal. Take care. Bye bye.